people said we should try ventilating with a crochet needle. So this is the crochet needle I'm using. We all know this. Okay, so I'm using a hard veil lace to do this. I just placed it on this black nylon so that you guys can see the knots, the holes. Sorry, I keep making that mistake. Let's start. To pass this through, I'll just go like this, then over to this side, because I'm really trying. Okay, let's go through this other one so I don't end up ripping off the nets. So I'm just going to take two. Is it up to two? No. Okay, I'm going to take two hairs, and then it closes back, and then boom. Then we grab it. Okay, we grab it and then we cover it, and there we have it. So we do it again, but there's something I need you guys to notice. If you look well, you find out that the net, that particular one, is a bit weak now. The net over there is now weak. You can see that hole, it bored there. But let's keep trying. You go again. You have to be very careful. Let's pick another two strands. Close it out. Be careful so it doesn't rip off the net. Did it? No, thank God it did not. And then we close it back, and there we have it. We go a third time. So maybe for those of you that want to experiment with this, that want to try with this, so what you have to do is to open up your crochet needle like that. Open it up, then you pass it through the net. You can see the way I passed it. Like, you don't try to push it in, you go in this way using the hook. You go in this way, then you push it out like that. So you can see what I'm doing. Then you push it out, push out everything. When you push out, you take your two strands of hair, okay, then you push it back out. Man, this is like a risky thing, so make sure that the hair passes this hook, I mean this closure, whatever it's called. It passes this stuff. You can see where the hair is. So now you grab the hair and then you push it back out. I decided to use a black hair this time so you guys can see. So you can see the holes. So what you have to do is to pass your crochet needle like that into the hair, then pass the hook outwards like so. Push it out, push everything out, including this stuff here. Then you grab two hairs and then you just push out your net. Man, when doing this I'm a bit scared. Then pull the hair itself, pull it across, let it pass that same hook. Then you grab your hair and that's it. You just knot. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. So we keep going again. Some people would wrap the hair like this on their hands, then pick two strands of hair, pull it out, then you place it like that, and then you knot it. Let's go again. Pass everything out, pass it through it. Oh god, I mistakenly hooked the other hair. Okay, let's go again. Grab the hair, pass it, then you just pass everything out like that. So what I have to say about this is it works. I'm not gonna lie, it's working, but the risk of tearing the lace, ripping off the lace, is also there, and it weakens the lace as well. So but if you feel you can never learn how to use the ventilating needle, please, I think you can give this a try. I think you can give this a try. Okay, so pass it through, grab your 2 hairs, pass it like that, grab the hair, your knot. So whether I would be using this to know, I think I'll still go back to my regular way of men. Okay, let me hold it the way I've been holding since. Just grab 2 hairs, man. For me, but if you're using a Swiss lace, the risk of tearing the lace will be lesser. It will be way lesser. It will be lesser because the Swiss lace is actually tougher than this particular one. You grab your tie. So guys, hope you can see what I'm doing. So if you like, if you prefer this method, it's your choice. For me, I would definitely stick to my way of doing things. Okay, so for those of you that prefer the ventilating method, you go ahead and keep ventilating. To me, I feel the ventilating would give a cleaner finish, but if you feel you can't, fine, go ahead and use the other one. Okay, but if you're using a soft net, veil net, be careful, stay away from the crochet needle because it will definitely rip it apart. But if you're using a Swiss net, you can take that risk, and hopefully I think it will work. Besides, it didn't really rip off this one, but it made the holes a bit weaker. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and have a nice time, guys. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and give me a thumbs up, like the video if you enjoyed this tutorial. So have a nice day, guys. Bye.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.